Yo, what is up guys, Steel Vico here, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we have yet another unboxing, I'm not sure exactly when you guys are seeing this video. I recorded this a while before October, so if you guys are seeing this in October, I've recorded this like even before summer. But I've got another exciting unboxing, in my opinion at least, maybe not for you guys know what it is. It's another Janglin Bones. This will be my third one. The first obviously being the one from my grandma, the second being the one from Haunt World, and this one I bought off eBay. And this one is supposed to be fully working, at least that's what it said on the description of it. So it's came boxed like this, and I'm going to have this be like the first actual Janglin Bones unboxing. It should have its original packaging for the most part, with some kind of ingenuity with the box. You can see that they've cut a few of them to stack on each other and then taped them. They've done like in 3 layers. Kind of funny. But without further ado, why don't we just open it? I don't think there's much more to say. I'm going to kind of cut it. You guys can kind of see it at the bottom of here, and then kind of slide it out and upwards. So I apologize that you guys aren't seeing a whole lot this part. Okay. Here we are. I can see that she is facing the wrong way. This box has not been taped up, but it has been, but it is in fact in there. So we're going to slide this out and upwards, if we can carefully. I can't really pull on the box because the top of it looks very weak. And come on. It appears to be, it's in there pretty tight. Okay, here we go. There we go. The box is out. Let's set this over here for a second. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. I don't think there is. Let's set this aside. Alright, here we go. We've got, I believe this is the top. The top of the Janglin Bones is right here. So, let's just take him out of the wrap in here. And here we are. We have Janglin Bones number 3. This one is interesting. I'll try to spin him the right way. His torso is, aha! Okay, so this Janglin Bones is not in perfect condition, as I kind of figured. As to be expected. So the first thing is you can see that his jaw, the jaw elastic has been stretched. Very common issue. Just kind of happens, so not really a huge deal. But it is there. And his torso does not seem to spin at all, and that's because, as you can see, there's a piece of, like, wood that they've just jabbed into here to replace it. Because those pegs, I'm sorry. The reason that Janglin Bones is, like, kind of not the greatest sometimes is because the the pegs are just awful. They do not hold up whatsoever. And as you can see, it seems they've added some extra, maybe is that a shoelace, probably, to it to add some extra length, I guess, to kind of suspend it from the ceiling or wherever. I was going to try to find a place to hang it up, but I don't think I've got a spot over here. So, well, I can try hanging it like up here, but not sure if that's doable. But I'm going to put some batteries in this guy. We're going to see how he works. Pretty cool. I'm going to try to slide this thing out a little bit further. Well, I mean, never mind. He's kind of going to lean back against it. But there we go. So yeah, guys, there you have it. You've got the Janglin Bones unboxing. I believe this will be the first one on YouTube. Technically not like completely an official one, because we can't confirm whether or not this is all that the packaging was at the time. But this one seems to have the original zip ties, possibly, or not zip ties, twist ties, possibly. But yeah, the box is the same as the other Janglin Bones that I own, the other one with the packaging. But this one seems to be fully functional, other than that damaged torso bit, which is the same thing as damaged on the one I received from Haunt World, but I believe the Haunt World one actually has the piece in there. But yeah, the paint looks pretty good on this one, actually. Oops. Let's just wait for that to end. Okay, so, as I was saying, the paint looks pretty good on this one. A little bit darker and kind of shinier in some bits than the other one. It doesn't look too scuffed or anything. Definitely excited to have this one. This one looks pretty good. I'll probably put this one in my room alongside the one from my grandma. Still working on repairing the one from Haunt World as of the time of this recording. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys aren't sick of Janglin Bones, because I certainly am not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.